within Google Meet, you can enable closed caption. Maybe if you are in a meeting where someone is speaking which is not in your native language, you can enable closed caption within Google Meet. Let me show you how. If you follow my mouse, I have already started one Google Meet meeting here, and my video and audios both are turned off. If I unmute myself and before that I click on this particular button to turn on captions, I'll be able to enable captions. So let me click on that. So now my captions are turned on. So let me show you another quick option from where you can select the language also. If you go to these three dots and there you click on captions, you'll be able to get some of the options. Currently there are some 5-6 languages are available you can utilize. So let me keep that English selected and click on apply. Now you can see this language has been set as English and my caption is turned on. Now if I speak something, it will pick up and it will give you a closed caption. Just watch it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you wanted to watch similar content in future. Now you can see it picked up whatever I said correctly. So this is the way you can enable closed caption within Google Meet and you will be able to utilize it. If you wanted to learn more about Google Meet, I have a full video available covering all features of Google Meet. I have added a link in the description below and also added in the end video card. If you are interested, check this out. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.